A long, long time ago, there was a teacher who had braces in his teeth and almost made them sound like he's got a lisp, and played strange YouTube videos that sounded ominous and apparently had a calming effect. The same teacher who needs to activate his Windows 10 but couldn't afford it. Hi, I'm Ritty Casili, and join me in this mysterious journey into Windows Office applications that thankfully don't need to be activated because thanks to Office 365 provided by the Department of Education. Yes. Now stay, relax, be calm, and let's get into it. Okay, let's just get right into it. The purpose of this video, of course, is to create your mail merge using Microsoft Word. There's, of course, we'll be going through the steps one by one. First, you're going to write your letter first. Then you're going to decide who will be receiving your letter. And then, of course, you're going to do the mail merge. And then finally, for this class, or rather for your submission, we'll be talking about your files. Okay. So first, I already have a letter over here. This one is actually, just to be clear, this is a scam letter as created by somebody who claims to be named Gabenga Makinde. That, I guess, is the name of the Nigerian prince. Okay, so he's promising to give you $10,500,000 if you provide them with the following information, like your name, your address, your bank name, account number, etc., and your SWIFT code. Uh, just to warn you, you don't give that kind of information to someone uh in an email, okay? Because they will not be giving you $10,500,000. Instead, they'll be taking your money instead. But let's just say that I'm the scammer. I am Mr. I'm Sir Mr. Gubenga Makinde, okay? And I want to send it to you. Okay, so as you can see, I already put in my apparently my address on this side. Now we're just going to decide who will the recipients be. So we're going to start with the recipient's name, company name if they do work for a company, address. Now the address could either be a home address or the company address. And then, of course, we're going to put in the date. Or you could put the date somewhere else. But for now, we're just going to put in, yes, the date. Let's just say the date now is October 26th, 2021. And we're going to put in the greetings. Dear Sir or Madam, I'm Sir Gabe. Oh, okay. It's just for the sake of example, we're going to have we're going to publish this letter. Okay, this is directly. By the way, this is directly copied from my email. So yeah. Okay, so let me just edit that real quick. Okay, so that's dear sir or madam. So, but the meat of this discussion of this video is this. We want to create this, not this. So we can just ignore that, okay? But if you want to win $10,500,000, go right ahead because I'm pretty sure you have lots of money to give to Mr. Gabenga anyway. So, okay, so first we're going to create your Excel file because we now know what we want to put in the letter, which is why you have to write the letter first. You want to decide who to give this to, okay? And then we're going to create your data. We're going with name, company name, and then you have your address. Okay? We're going to save this as we're just going to store this locally for now. And we're going to name it letter recipients. And then we're going to save it. And then now I forgot, I don't know where the file is saved, but there's an easy fix for that. Just go to File, Save As, and then you go to More Options, and then it's going to point to you or show you where it saved it. Okay, just scroll down, look for it. It should be here. There you go. So this is where the file has been saved. Okay. Now let's just put in a name like Jack Nicholson, because I'm going to give Jack Nicholson $10,500,000. And then his company name is Holy Wood. Address is 1965 whatever street. Whatever street, whatever town, whatever city, whatever. Okay. You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So, I finished generating some random names with random company names and random addresses, and now we're just going to save the file. And remember earlier, I forgot where I put the folder, so we're just going to copy and paste that. Yes, I guess, and then we're going back to here. Okay. All right. And then we are going to up here on this the mailings tab. Start mail merge. We're going for letters. Whoops, what happened? Okay, start mail merge. Let's just go with the step-by-step mail merge wizard. And then the font. Let's bring up your magnifier. All right, so we're just going to do the wizard. We're going to choose letters up here, and we'll go down and click on next. Go back up to use the current document. This document that we already have here, and then going to click on next, select recipients. Now, okay, remember earlier when we had let's just go to browse, and then I still have the folder in my clipboard, I think. Let's just go here, delete, Control V, and hit enter. All right, and then we'll just go down and click one thing over here, and then push the letter L. Whoops. Push the letter L. We have a letter recipients. Scroll down. I mean, that's the thing that we created earlier. This Excel document that had the name, address, and all that, right? Remember that. And then just click on open. And now it's going to... What is going on? Browse. Okay. All right. It's you got the sheet 1. Just click okay. Okay, now we got our recipients right here. We got Jack Nicholson, Kajol Kristupas. Okay. Saffron Julian and Sharali Americo. Okay, so let's not let's just go and click OK. Okay. Now what happened is that the system or Microsoft Word now knows where to get the data from. You just told it where to get the data from. It's already in the memory. How is that? Because if you go to here, you got name, company name, and address. Remember, I put these here. Still right here. Name, company name, and address. Okay? So we're just going to insert merge field. Just put in the name and the company name and then your address. Okay, and then we're just going to remove the placeholders. Let's remove the placeholders. All right, there you go. Now, what do we do next? You see this thingy over here that says ABC Preview Results. Click on that thing. Okay, now we got Kajol Kristupas. Let's just check if that's the person. Aha. Kajal Christopas. Kajal Christopas is working for the woodworking company and lives in 374 William Street. Okay. Okay. We got that, and apparently we got the second entry. We should have Jack Nicholson as the first one. Okay, we have Jack Nicholson, who lives in Hollywood in 1965, whatever street, whatever city, whatever. Okay, now let's just check the rest. Saffron Julian, who works for the shoe factory in sales, and I put in the same address, but okay. And of course, the last entry we have Shirley Almerico, who works for the People Incorporated and North King Street. Okay, so we got that. All right. Now, what are you going to submit to me? Well, first off, we're going to save this as this letter over here. We're going to save it. Save as. Mail merge example. And then we're going to save it. Let's close it first. Did it close? It's not closing. Okay, quit on me. Now let's just reopen that file in Word. Mail merge example. Okay. Okay. So when we open when we open this file, when I go to mailings, I should be able to see all of these buttons active, especially this section, preview results and write and insert fields, because when I click on this, it will have your name, the placeholders, the mail merge placeholders. So number one, the files would be the mail merge file, or the original file with mail merge, with the merge placeholders. And of course, the second one would be this. Edit individual documents, all of them. And now we have that. I only need you to print I only need you to print 2 pages. Okay, page 1 and page 2. Pages 1 and 2. I'd like the I'd like for you to send to me or submit to me a copy. Okay, you're going to actually print it. All right, so that's file number 2. The printed letter. The third file. The Excel document with data. Okay? So you're going to submit these two will be soft copy. Uploaded. It needs to be uploaded. Uploaded. And this will be printed. Okay? So that's it. I think this is pretty easy. I think you can do this. But if you have any trouble at all, just go ahead and chat me up. Stay safe. Bye bye.